Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a nice little project. We're gonna be installing a live axle on this bad boy. This is like a really old school classic go-kart kind of a racer. This belongs to a buddy of mine who got a couple of them actually. Shout out to my buddy Juan. We're gonna be doing a couple little modifications on this thing because he's wanting a live axle in here since we can't really put a sprocket on that. This is kind of an old design and it's kind of hard to get everything going with old stuff. So we went ahead and picked up some parts from GoPowersports.com. We got everything ready to go. So basically first thing I'm gonna do right now is take the fiberglass off, then kind of get a good look at what I'm gonna be working with, and then take it from there. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and pry it up on top of this little table since I ain't got a little workstation yet, but we're working on that. I just need to be able to get up there and take a good look at it. There's the arrow right there. Some of you guys have been following the channel because of this little guy right here. And it's kind of one of those things that when we ride it out, we got to fix something. Sometimes things rattle off or break off. Right now the front mud guards are removed. They shook off so many times that eventually they broke. I went ahead and welded those. I got them sitting over there. What I'm gonna do is whenever we go out, I'm gonna just have to take them off. But went ahead and welded it back on. These things come with a couple issues, man. You guys gonna have to, become very handy at messing around with them. But I'll give you guys another update on another video. For now, we're gonna be kind of working on this little guy here. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be uploading more videos. This is just a kind of warm up of what we're gonna be doing. Hopefully you guys tune in and we'll kind of get things rolling. You guys will see the project as it unfolds. This video right here is just to kind of give you guys a heads up. But I am gonna be uploading here either on the daily or as the project. I don't know. Let me know in the comment box what you guys want to see. You guys want to see me build a day-to-day, or you want to see the whole video in one video? But I'm gonna go ahead and cut it here, get this bad boy up on this table so we can start assessing the damage. All right guys, see you on the next one. Thank you for watching and subscribing.